What's up guys, Mitch from Shock Therapy, and today we're going to show you how to install the rear link kit on the Kawasaki KRX. This Shock Therapy link kit is made with the best 5/8 rod ends that you can get on the market today. This install should take you no longer than an hour or two. Let's jump on in, I'll show you how to do it. Your first step in the installation is to remove the factory hardware holding the link to the bar and the arm. Once the hardware is removed, you can then remove the link from the car. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Next, grab the link in our kit and make sure extended length is set to 3 1/4 inches from center of hole to center of hole. Next, finger tighten the jam nut to where both rod ends are lined up evenly. Install the spacers on the lower rod end first, using the bolt and washer that is supplied in the kit. Mount the link to the lower tab on the trailing arm first. Next, install the upper spacers. Using the bolt and washer supplied in the kit, mount the link to the inside of the sway bar. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Once both links are installed onto the vehicle, it is now time to tighten down all of the hardware, along with tightening down the jam nut using a 15/16 wrench. Repeat this step on the opposite side, and your installation is complete. We hope that this video helped you with the installation of your rear link kit at home. And remember to check that jam nut after the first 100 to 300 miles to make sure that it is still tight. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell and drop a comment if you want to see more videos like this. For any other technical help, maybe on this install or any other questions, feel free to give us a call at the shop at 623-217-4959. If you need any replacement parts, you can order them through the website at www.shocktherapist.com. You got me all confused. Big fat rod, brother. Practice makes perfect, Josh. Dang, boy.
Oh, wow, you guys are movie stars.
Oh.
I'm back.
Thanks, Tom. I got cross-eyed for a minute. Oh boy.
Everyone's just coming up.
It's like a freaking freeway in here right now.
Cool. That was sick.
Is that a stock body?
No, I don't think so. I think it's got fender flares and stuff.
Oh, well, this is a stock body, you know what I'm talking about?
Yes, sir. Okay, we're kind of trying to finish some filming, so if you could leave, that'd be great. Just kidding.
Fine.
Bye, Dom. See you soon.
Bye, Dom. See you soon.
Bye, Jeff. See you
Jeff.
soon.
Bye, see you soon.
See you soon.
Real
Have
soon.
a great day.
Ah.
His last name's Day. Your eyes look good.
Do they?
You hear that, you commenters? His eyes look great.
Yeah. Wait, should I go over there real quick and then come back? And if you're feeling nice, you can drop a comment. That'd be great. Here's my Venmo. Drop me $100.